Get fancy with your breakfast for less than $1 a person and serve up these beautiful, sweet raspberry crepes in just 10 minutes. They are so easy and your family will think that you're a pro. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. I'm not gonna lie. I'm one of those people who would eat breakfast for every single meal for the rest of my life. I love breakfast foods. I go to bed excited to eat breakfast the next morning, and these delicious sweet raspberry crepes are what dreams are made out of. Don't let the pros make you think that they are too difficult. They are so easy, and let me show you why. I'm making these crepes to serve 5, which will give you about 5 crepes. But check out my recipes on loadedpotato.org, and you can get this recipe to feed anywhere from 5 to 20 people. And while you're there, check out the auto grocery calculator. If you want to have this meal on hand, ready to go in the pantry, it will calculate exactly the groceries you need to feed this and any other loaded potato meal for one meal for 5 people or 20 people for every night for 10 years. Pick your meals and we do all the calculating. You could even add it straight to your Walmart or Amazon Fresh cart right on our site, all free. So let's get started on these sweet raspberry crepes. Okay, to start, we're gonna add 1 cup of bread flour to a large bowl. Next, we're gonna add 2.5 tablespoons of dry powdered milk and 1/4 cup dry powdered whole eggs. Next, we're gonna add about 1.5 cups of water, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of syrup. Now we're just gonna mix it all together with a fork. Okay, once you got your batter all mixed up and homogenized, we're gonna turn our stove on medium-low and let that preheat. Okay, once your pan is preheated and sizzles, we're gonna splash a little water on it, it's ready to go. So we're gonna coat it with some cooking spray, and we're gonna take 1/2 cup of batter and pour it right onto the pan and rotate it around so it thins out nicely. I want it to cover the entire pan. Keep rotating it around until it's all thinned out. Now we're just gonna let it sit here and cook for about 30 seconds. And once you see your edges start to curl up, that means it's ready to flip. So take your metal spatula, slide it on in, give it a quick flip. Should look something like that. And let it cook the other side for another 30 seconds. All right, once that one's finished cooking, just gonna remove it from the heat, put it on a plate. Should look a little something like that. And you can just repeat that process over and over again until you are completely out of batter. Thin cooked. Gonna turn off your heat. Now that your crepes are all ready, should make about 5 crepes. Now take your crepe and you're gonna put about a tablespoon of raspberry jam in the middle. Now you're gonna take your fork and you're just gonna twist it up all beautiful like. And then I like to top it with a little more raspberry jam. Then we're gonna sprinkle with a couple teaspoons of powdered sugar. And there you have it, delicious sweet raspberry crepes. The only thing left to do now is dig in. Let me know in the comments if you knew how easy crepes really were. I've learned in life pretty much nothing is as hard as people make it out to be. If you wanna give it a try, you can do it. If your family loves crepes as much as mine, you gotta try this. And be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time!